Abono tui wan sugui tong fruno, sini bobagra sengsar yakari thangka.
Tripura joined India 15 of October 1949. So, after the attainment of independence of India, where we were majority and we became drastically minority on our own soil, so then we had very little hope for our future survival. We wanted some safeguards so that our land should not be taken away by people those are coming from the then East Pakistan, now Bangladesh.
Leads to approximately 10 million people fleeing East Pakistan and taking refuge in the neighboring Indian states of West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura.
Ajarawo sini hani sengkrak nglibaca paya Nagendra Jamatia Rao Kumaria Semacharan Tripura Dai Bijoy Kumara Borok joto thansake sini bagai gobang ma coba khalaikan Dai sungno ekor khai kablai khaikan
Because of the appearance of our beloved Maharaj Pradut Kishore Devarma, all the regional parties came together to join this Tripura Mata.
हम सभा को सामने रख के अपना पिछड़ा को कुछ देना चाहता है तो महाराजा वीर विक्रम का नाती हूं मैं अपना पिछड़ा को धोखा नहीं दे सकता
मैं आपको एक अच्छा कल देना चाहता हूं. It will be something that Maharaja Veer Vikram had thought long time.